Elena has two congruent rugs at her house. She cut one vertically down the middle and one diagonally through the other one. After making the cuts, which rug has the larger area? And then it asks us to explain. Well, cutting an identical rug in half, whether it's vertically or diagonally, is going to result in the same area. So they all have the same area. Because splitting the rugs this way creates two identical pieces. Not pieces that have the same So when you split them, C and D are identical pieces, and A and B are identical pieces with the same area. These are all half what they were originally, so they still have the same area as each other. So B and C have the same area, B and D have the same area, A and B have the same area. They're all equal in size to the other ones.